Dear cadets, we'll discuss today double fertilization in flowering plants. This double fertilization is a specific phenomena which takes place in angiospermic plants. Since there are two places in ovule where fusion takes place, therefore it is known as double fertilization. The male gamete pollen after germination, vegetative cell will prepare a pollen tube which will go through style and reach up to ovary nearby ovule. When it will enter into ovule through micropyle, the generative cell, which is haploid in nature, will divide it into two. Therefore, there will be two male gametes will be formed due to mitosis cell division. So the condition will remain half and half. We'll go for the next slide. Now we can see when the pollen tube reaches to ovule, then through micropyle, the first gamete will be accepted by the filiform, which are the projection of the synergids, and reach up to ovum and fused. This is known as syngamy. The condition becomes 2n diploid, which will later on make zygote. At the same time, the second male gamete will go to the center portion, which is a central cell, or also known as polar nuclei. They are haploid, but they are two in number. The second male gamete, which is haploid condition, there are two more nuclei which are haploid condition. Then all these three will fuse together and they will form a PEN, that is primary endosperm nucleus. Its condition remain 3N. This is later on developing endosperm of seed. So since this is the second time, so there are two places, one syngamy, the second one is triple fusion. These two together takes place and then it is called as double fertilization.